Hi everyone, today I'm going to explore 3 ways to iterate over an array in JavaScript: the for loop, the forEach loop, and map. Each has its own purpose and use case, and we'll see how they differ. For this demo, we'll use just the same array. So here it is, just a simple const with a numbers array 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's go ahead and show you the differences between each. Okay, so let's make a start by showing you the for loop. So what we've got here is we've got a numbers array of 1, 2, 3, and 4. We've got a variable of doubled, which is just an empty array as a placeholder where we're going to store our values going forward. We then use the for loop to iterate through each of the numbers array, taking the index of each number and then times it by 2. So in this case, it's 1 times 2, 2 times 2, 3 times 2, and 4 times 2. We then push those iterated numbers into the doubled array, which then gives you the output of 2, 4, 6, and 8 when we console.log the doubled variable. Now, for loop is brilliant if you need to have full control over your array, and also if you need to manually manipulate the index, then the for loop is the go-to method of choice. So in this example, we're going to show you the for each loop. So again, we've got a numbers array, which is just of 1, 2, 3, and 4. We've got a variable setup for doubled, which is just empty at the moment, an empty array. What we do is we take the numbers array and we apply the for each method to iterate through each number, which is represented here via num, and we times it by 2 and push it into the doubled array. So this, when you do a console.log, should give you the output of 2, 4, 6, and 8. So really quick way of being able to loop through an array. You don't directly manipulate the index in this given example. If you need to do that, then obviously a for loop is going to be better for you. One other key thing you need to take into account is this doesn't return you a new array. So in this case, we're having to directly manipulate the doubled array. But if you do need to have a new array, then obviously the map method, which is what we're going to show you next, is a way of being able to do that. Okay, so in this example, I'll show you the map method. So again, we're doing the same thing as the 2 previous examples. But in this case, we've got obviously the numbers array, which is 1, 2, 3, and 4. And what we can do here is we can just set up a const of doubled, which is just a new variable, where it's equal to numbers.map, where we iterate through each number and we times it by 2. And what this does is it actually returns you a new array. So the const of doubled is an array of 2, 4, 6, and 8. So pretty much the same as what we've done in the other 2 examples, but in this case it looks very clean and probably a lot more concise. So if this is the type of output that you need, then obviously the map method is going to be the right choice. Okay, so just to summarize, the for loop gives you complete control but requires more code. The for each simplifies iteration but doesn't return a new array. Map is perfect for transforming data into a new array without modifying the original. And as you saw, the output of all 3 examples is the same: 2, 4, 6, and 8. Choosing the right method depends on your specific needs. Thank you.